Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage display timeout on LG Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote. Here, scroll down to all of the settings, enter them and find a general. Now we need to go down to the system, then time and the timers, and here you can find power off timer and you can switch it if you like. It will say power off your TV at a certain time, but also we can switch off auto power off after 4 hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.